The walking tour of Copenhagen began at the Zync Global statue in front of the seaside Toadboden. Created in 2012 by Danish artist Kim Michael, who goes by the name The Zinker, the sculpture is made from roughly 8,500 pieces of discarded scrap metal, car parts and old machinery. It is said to represent a global visionary taking responsibility for an interconnected world, and according to our guide, it also serves as a reminder to recycle. Fittingly, we later passed the Amager Bakke power plant, also known as Amager Slope or Copenhagen, which burns imported waste and converts it into energy. The government even built a climbing wall on its exterior for public use. Social democracy in action. We then visited the Little Mermaid statue. We had been warned it might be underwhelming due to its small size, but it was still nice to see such an iconic landmark. The statue has perched on its rock for more than a century and has even had its head and arms chopped off several times. Our next stop was the Cytadel, a functioning military barracks that also houses a memorial honouring Danish soldiers who have died in United Nations operations. To be honest, I didn't find the barracks especially interesting, but the grounds were beautiful. The Gefion Fountain, which we visited afterwards, was far more striking. Donated to Copenhagen by the Carlsberg Foundation for the brewery's 50-year anniversary, the fountain features a dramatic scene of oxen pulling a plough driven by the Norse goddess Gefion. It depicts the mythological creation of the island of Zealand where Copenhagen sits. It was genuinely impressive. Like on other tours, we strolled through the Opera House area and then into the grounds of Amalienborg Palace for a quick introduction to the Danish royal family. Covering these familiar areas again highlighted just how walkable Copenhagen is. We continued through Newhaven and into the main square near Kongens Nytrov, which is shown in my other video, before ending the tour in the Strøget shopping district. As you can see, we are near Amalienborg Palace, which features in my other video of the palaces of Amalienborg and Amalienborg. The walking tour of Copenhagen lasted about 2.5 hours and will set you back €42.